how to see your Gmail password if you forgot it. So I'm going to be showing you quite a few methods. So the first one, open the settings, scroll down until you find the Google services, click on Google, and it will open your Gmail account. And once you can see this, you can directly go to Password Manager from here, or you can go to Manage your Google account and then go to Security. You scroll down until you find the Password Manager. So once you find that, you tap on the google.com, the password that you've saved. You tap on it and it will ask for a verification, your phone. You just verify and it will show the password in the dotted form. You can tap on the eye icon to view your password. The second method is if you go to your home screen and open Google and then tap on the three dots at the top right, go to settings. If you scroll down, you can find the Google Password Manager. This will take you to the same settings that will open your password manager, and you just tap on google.com, your safe password. This will also ask for verification for security purpose. You just verify with your phone pin and then it will open up your password. Your saved passwords will be shown here, and you simply tap on the eye icon to view your password. And that's how you can easily see your Gmail password if you forgot it. Thank you for watching.